The Singer ProFinish Serger comes with some basic accessories, but they are hidden somewhere in this machine. Well, actually not really hidden, but they are. So this machine is considered a free arm machine. So first off, you kind of notice that there is a cutout where the free arm is. That means that this whole piece actually can come off. But there's a little trick of what I'm going to push underneath. And there's a compartment back here that has the accessories in there that came with this machine. So right underneath, about halfway back from where the free arm is, there is a small little knob you're going to feel underneath. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to push up as hard as I can and then wiggle to the left. So you'll see that it kind of wants to, this one I was noticing is a little stiff. It's the first couple times I've taken it off. So just work at it, because what it's actually doing is releasing kind of this little pressure lever underneath here. So that's why you have to kind of push up on it. So this is what I was pushing on with my fingers. So the more you push on it, the more it kind of lets go of that area. And look, just some basic things that come with most all sergers. So if you are using the free arm, you'll just set this all the way aside. For today, I am going to leave that back on, and just because that work surface is quite handy. So what comes with a serger is usually some needles, some tweezers. So let's just talk through some of the things that are in this sealed bag. So number one, we have a couple needles that come with this machine. They are a category 2022 needle, and these are size 90/14. We'll talk needles a little bit more, but there is at least a couple replacements as you get started. This very small screwdriver here is exactly what you need to loosen the screws for those needles. So those will be something that you'll loosen just a little bit. The needles will drop out. We'll catch them before they drop. But then you can go ahead, push them all the way back up, and then tighten them. So the screwdriver is for the needles. Tweezers. You're going to see me using these a lot. For any reason, these tweezers are not great for you. You might find a set of tweezers that might be a little longer or have some different points to them. But all in all, you can't have enough tweezers when you're working with a serger. And then the last item that comes in the pack, it kind of looks, well, odd. Well, this is what turns this serger, which is a 4-thread, 3-thread serger, into a 2-thread serger. So you won't see me using this until we do a 2-thread overlock stitch or a 2-thread rolled hem. You can do all those different settings with only 2 threads, I know, but this is what goes in the upper looper to make the machine think that you actually have 3 threads in the machine. So make sure you don't lose this. Maybe find a good, safe place to store this, and we will revisit this one at the end. So we are ready to get started with threading this machine.